You must have seen this type of videos on social media because this type of videos are trending on social media right now. Creating this type of videos is very easy. You can create this type of videos for free. So let's see how can you create this type of videos. First of all, open your browser and search Pika Art. Then enter the website called pika.art. Then click on Try Pika. Then here, create an account with your Gmail ID. Then open your video from which you want to create this effect and then take a screenshot of your video. Remember the time where you have took the screenshot. Then come back to Pika website and then click on image to upload your image. Then click on Pika effect and you will find many template here. Select the one that you like most. After that, click on create icon to generate your video. It will take some time, and after your video generation is done, you can see it here and download it from here. Here my video is ready. Sometimes it will generate your video in short time and sometimes it will take a longer time. After downloading the video, open any video editing software. Here I am using CapCut. After that, import your source video and AI generated video to CapCut. Then first of all, I will drag and drop the original video, the source video, to the timeline, and then in the top of that, I will drag and drop the AI generated video. I will put this in the exact time where I have taken the screenshot from. After everything is done, just export your video. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like it and thanks for watching this video.